Hello everyone, welcome to My Skills, My Future, a career mentoring platform. Watch how to solve this problem in seconds. Okay, which of the following number is the largest among 0.7? 0.7 can be written as 0.7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and so on. Next one is 0.7 bar, means 0.7777777 and so on 7. It is repeating. Whenever bar appears, the number will be repeated. Next one is 0.07 bar, indicates 0.077777 and so on. Next one is 0.07 bar, indicates 0.07, 07, 07, 07 and so on. First you check decimal, before the decimal point all are zeros, so simply you can left it. Next one is after decimal point 7700. Okay, these two numbers will be appears 0, eliminate these two. Next check whether the 0.7 is the larger one or 0.71. Okay, after the first decimal point, next one is 0, here second one is 7, indicates 777. This will be more when compared to the 0.7. So our final answer is 0.7 bar is the largest value among. Okay, thank you for watching.